Hey guys, so in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add white strokes to any of your illustrations in Procreate. As you all know, Procreate does not have any stroke feature as Photoshop has, but still, I got a hack that you can use in Procreate and Photoshop, Illustrator, whatnot. So here I'm using one of my illustrations that I did a while back. So you need another separate layer for your whole illustration, and once you have that, what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna copy the illustration. I'm just gonna paste it in new layer like this. Now just go back, just hide this layer, hide the layer which is at the top, and go back to the layer underneath it and just create alpha lock. We are creating alpha lock because we want to paint the whole illustration with white color as we want white stroke. Now it depends on to you what color you want your stroke to be, but I want mine to be white. So now I'm just going to paint it over like this. That it is. Now just unhide the layer above it like this, and just be at the white layer, and go to the transform tool like this and just increase the size of it. Once you're happy with the thickness of the stroke that you want, just adjust it according to the illustration like this. This is not very accurate as the one in Photoshop, but it's still pretty good. Now why I'm saying it's not accurate is because, as you can see, it's okay, let me just show you what I'm talking about here. So let me choose another color. So as you can see, the white stroke is not really going like this here, but it is actually touching the outline, which is not what I really like, but it still looks really good. Like nobody can notice it, so it still looks good. So that's how you add white strokes in Procreate.